Hi Steve, amazing 3 points in the end there.
Yeah, massive 3 points. You know, they are the games that win you the leagues. You know, but again, you know, credit to Prestatyn. First half we were the dominant team. You know, could have gone 3-0 up with a pen save, but didn't. And to be fair to them, they come out second half and really had a go at us and causes all kinds of problems.
Yeah.
You know, and you know they'll be in there, they'll be gutted. But you know, we believe in the process. You know, we keep going. We've done it 2 or 3 times this season, and it just shows the belief and the character within the squad. Because we had a couple missing tonight. You know.
They never stopped running all night. I mean, you know, the performances all over the pitch were great, and
we dug in. We had to
yeah,
dug in. We showed the other side. Yes, we can play pretty football, you know, but football is about first and foremost digging in and showing that grit, that determination. We had that in abundance tonight. We got our just deserves in the end, I believe.
Yeah, it was great to finish off the goal down that end as well. Most of the fans were down there and they went mad.
Yeah, you know, when you're putting everything in, you know, you need a cool head, and you know the skipper there, Tom Mac, you know, he's gone through. He's had a lot of time to think about it, and you know he's finished it perfectly. And you know, and then we give the Seagulls fans something to cheer about again. And yeah, good night all round.
Yeah, it was great. Play next Saturday. Penryn Court.
Yeah, so well, like I always say, we'll enjoy tonight. We'll really enjoy the weekend.
Yeah.
Because that, you know, them kind of
sets
wins,
you up. Yeah.
You know, sometimes they are better than the 6-0s or whatever.
Yeah.
I'd prefer 6-0, but you know, sometimes
take that.
They really give you that momentum and you know, that energy. You know, and we'll take that into training Wednesday and Thursday next week. You know, and ready to go again in Penryn Court.
Okay. Cheers, Steve. Thank you.
Thanks again. And thanks to the Seagull fans again.
They were amazing.
Yeah. Cheers. Yo.